A lot of times when I cut a tree with real excessive flare, I will put it out like over here or either in the same spot. It's a place where I got like 6 feet with no bunk. That way the flare kind of sits down in there. But when you get to what I call a normal log, this is I think like 18 inches on that end. Really done forgot. And it's 27 foot long. All I want is 2x6's. And on this end, I think it was 15. Yeah, 15. So it must have been about 17 or 18 down there. And you could see how it's kind of flared out down there. But that type of flare is different than like most of the trees I cut. Most of the trees I cut are big. You know, they're close to 30 inches, and that bottom, like 1.5 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, really swells up. So that's why I hang it over in these areas that's a long distance between bunks. But when it's a deal like this, what I call a normal tree, I do jack it up. I have to jack it up because otherwise you're just not going to be able to cut that right. This is just like a normal tree, and that shrinks down. So a normal tree that shrinks down, you're either going to have those toe boards where you can lift it up, you know, ever so often, or you're going to have to jack it up ever so often. And that's what I did here. I just jacked it up, and all I need is 2x6's, and I'm just going to try and cut them as fast as I can. Actually, I'm not going to get them all out of here because I need 12, and they need to be 27 foot long. But I don't think I'm going to get them all out of here. That's one thing about having a sawmill, 27 foot long. Most people would call that an odd size, and it is an odd size. Unless you have a sawmill, then there's no such thing as odd size. If somebody needs something 27 foot long, I cut it 27 foot long if that's what they want. Or if they need it 19 foot long, I cut it 19. You could cut whatever you want. There's no real wasted wood. I don't know if you could buy something 27 foot long in the store anyway. Wonder if I can turn something 27 foot long.